Introducing Bayang Basket, made from Abacada, one of the cultural art of the Batangas. So I tried to get some information from interviewing a person who has experience, and there it is. Hello everyone, I'm Vanessa Abanas and I'm here with my mother Emily Abanas with her craft, the Bayang Basket that she once made as her hobby back then. So which region in the Philippines is known for crafting bayong, or saan sa Pilipinas kilala sa paggawa ng mga bayong?
Sa palagay ko, dito lamang ito sa Batangas.
And how do you think the bayongs contribute to reducing plastic waste and promoting environmental sustainability? O sa iyong palagay, paano nakatutulong ang mga bayong sa pagbabawas ng mga basurang plastic sa pagtataguyod ng pagpapanatili ng kapaligiran?
Nakatutulong ito dahil ito ay eco-friendly at reusable.
In what ways does bayong reflect Philippine culture and tradition, or paanong paraan po napapakita ng bayong ang kultura at tradisyon ng Pilipinas?
Napapaunlad nito ang ating turismo at ang ating dahil nagagamit ang mga lokal na materyales.
And that's it. Thank you. As you can see, bayong made a lot of contribution to many people and especially to environment. It promotes local materials of the Philippines and it helps people to carry the things with their bayong.
Alright. Ang bayong sa inyo, ibon no?
In Batangas, there are local organizations of cooperative that actively support the production of promotion of bayong baskets. These groups help provide training resources and market opportunities for local artisans, ensuring that this craft not only survives but thrives in modern times. And that's it, guys. So let us promote our own culture craft, the bayong basket, and to continue recognize the culture of our own. Thank you.